Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to connect a controller to this laptop. If you have a DualSense controller like this one, what you have to do is press and hold the PlayStation button and Create button at the same time. Hold them down until the lights start throbbing like this. Then on your laptop, click on the three icons on your status bar to open the control center. Turn on the Bluetooth, then click on the arrow icon next to it. Select the device from the list, and this way you will be connected to a controller. Now, if you have a Xbox controller, then you have to press the Xbox logo, which is located right here, to turn your controller on, and then hold down the power button, which is located in this place. Hold it down and wait until the notification appears on your screen, and once it does, click on it, and this way you will connect your Xbox controller to your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.